What's going on, YouTube family and friends? Welcome back to the channel. And what we came to discuss here in today's video is RGC. If you have been keeping up with stock, as you all know, we have reached and breached all of our price targets from our Discord alert entry. As you all know, I alerted RGC last Thursday for the entry price of $6.85. And as you guys can see here, we did reach and breach our last price target of $44 here yesterday. I let everyone know to consider partial profits. And as you guys can see here, the stock has hit a high here today of $64.72. Stick around for my price prediction for Monday. Also, we're going to take a brief look at XHLD, another stock that we alerted over in our Discord server. As you guys can see here, that stock was alerted here yesterday, well, on the 19th, 2 days ago, for the entry price of 82 cents, with that price target being 90 cents plus. And as you guys can see here, it hit a high here on today's trading of $1.88, coming off of Wednesday's aftermarket trading of $2.03. XHLD does have more room to run here, ladies and gentlemen, in the likelihood of a short cover. Stick around for that. Also, we're going to take a brief look and check out our small account challenge. As you all know, we're doing 500 to 100,000, where you will be able to see me grow a small account to $100,000. So with no further ado, let's dive right in. First stock we're going to talk about here in today's video is no other than RGC. As you all know, this thing has been performing pretty well in the fashion of massive short cover waves. What is going on here in RGC with this huge jump in share price here, ladies and gentlemen? We're seeing major short cover positions find itself in a forced short cover situation day in and day out, thanks to the low share float. Only 1.44 million shares are available for trade, so it doesn't take a lot of volume to sway the share price in any direction, depending on whether it's buying or selling. If we go to our 15-minute chart, as you guys can see here, we are approaching that mid Bollinger Band. If we do cross that here, we may actually see this thing go back towards those low $50 levels. Coming off of yesterday's short sell analysis, it's not high in total short volume due to the huge dramatic jump in share price. When you got a share price going from, again here, you got a share price going from $4, ladies and gentlemen, all the way up to $60, you're going to see a huge drop in total trading volume for sure. But one thing's for sure, two things for certain here in RGC. With this huge jump in price, we do see more covering going on the day than shorting on that extra large and large scale, which points to hedge funds and or institutions activity. If we do see this continuation of a short cover here Monday, ladies and gentlemen, we actually can see RGC cross those $70 levels. Now, we don't see any sign or symbol that this thing is headed back towards those sub $50 levels just yet, but we do have that gap between $45 and $73. I will be updating everyone this weekend on RGC's likelihood of seeing that short cover wave take place here on Monday, once we get that short sell analysis and around 10 p.m. Central Time here today. Next stock we're going to talk about here in today's video, and that is XHLD. Like I said before, as you all know, we did alert this stock over in our Discord server just 2 days ago on Wednesday for that 82-cent alert entry. And that is what you call, again, a home run play. The reason why I say this thing does have more room to run, ladies and gentlemen, is because of that high short sell ratio coming off of Wednesday's trading. We don't see a major sign of covering going on here yesterday to fulfill Wednesday's massive total short volume. 23.45 million shares were sold short here on Wednesday. the following day, we didn't even reach that amount of volume. Total trading volume was only 15.3 million, which points to stacked short positions is currently here in XHLD. Now, the only way that this thing will see a short cover is depending on today's aftermarket and Monday's pre-market price action. So far, that net inflow in favorment here only points to 459,000. Now, these last 3 days of trading has been a huge jump in net inflow in favorment, and that can lead to massive short positions thanks to the jump in price. If we go to this intraday chart, as you guys can see here, we see nothing but inflow flowing into the stock, which points to more covering here on the day. Now, the likelihood of XHLD seeing a short cover here on Monday isn't as high as RGC, but things can change depending on today's, again, aftermarket and Monday's pre-market price action. And the likelihood of a short cover, XHLD should see those $2.20 levels here on Monday, especially if market conditions calls for it. Right now, if we look at the overall market, ladies and gentlemen, we're starting to plateau here slightly. Now, if we do see another leg up here in the market overall, ladies and gentlemen, we actually can see the XHLD alongside RGC make another leg up here on the day, and if that is the case, it's more than likely that this stock will set a new high here today. Now, like I said before, guys, we're going to be reviewing our small account challenge, which starts with $500, and we're trying to grow that to, again, $100,000. Right now, we're holding on those SPY calls. We are considering selling these here pretty darn soon, but with that being said, if we go back to our position here, we're currently up 83% here on this SPY call. Right now, expiration is today, with that strike price being 536. Like I told you guys before, the best traders make the right market adjustments. All right, as you all know, we were down here this morning on our Palantir calls, so no, our Palantir puts. So what we did here today was went calls to make that adjustment and make up for those losses. So currently right now, account is at $2,821. Like I said before, guys, we do expect to get this thing to $100,000 before the year is over with. So if you do want to participate in our $500 to $100,000 challenge, make sure you subscribe to the Discord, hit that subscribe button for the channel, and may the gains be with you.